The blind spot warning, BSW, and intelligent blind spot intervention, I-BSI systems can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to help detect other vehicles in the blind spot detection zone. In addition to the radar sensors, the I-BSI system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects vehicles in the detection zone and your vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 20 miles per hour, the blind spot warning indicator on the outside rearview mirror illuminates. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice, and the blind spot warning indicator and side indicator light will flash. The I-BSI system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone. You are driving at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour, and your vehicle is approaching the lane marker. I-BSI operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and then help assist the driver return the vehicle to the center of the traveling lane. The I-BSI system turns on when the ProPilot Assist switch on the steering wheel is activated. I-BSI is on when the indicator light illuminates in the instrument panel. There may be instances when you want to turn the system off. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, blind spot assist, then warning or intervention to toggle the selected system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.